Welcome to Project Clock 123. As you can see, it's very hot. This is the finished product, or finished whatever. Don't know what to say really. But here it is. Comes up a lot better. You can actually see the Honda stick stamps and all that now. So always try your food shops cleaning products. Things are going to be happening soon on the channel. I'm going to be keeping the Honda, just making it look tidy. Then I'm going to get a Gillette runner. And then while I've got the Gillette runner, I could run around on this, So I ain't like, oh, I ain't got a bike now, I've got to build one, blah blah blah. So I want to take my time with the Gillette runner. I hope everyone's enjoying the videos and content. Give me a like, subscribe and a follow and a comment. Thank you so much, and thank you so much again. And peace out.